Hi, I'm Ian. I'm here with David, Ben, and Robin, and we're Youphonic. In addition to being full-stack developers, we're also a group of musicians. I'm a pianist, composer, and music educator. I'm really excited to share a new app with you. So most traditional music creation apps like this are based on a timeline or sequencer model of music creation, where events happen in a set order at specific times. We wanted to create a more open platform for exploration, where users can use motion and space as an organizing principle instead of time. So we built a playground where users can add a variety of shapes to the canvas, set their interactions, and set their musical properties to create musical compositions. New users can sign up with their Google credentials or their own passwords. We're going to go ahead and sign up as me and tell you a little bit more about how Youphonic was built.
Thanks, Ian. I'm Ben, an audio engineer and sound designer. And under the hood of Youphonic, we have Node.js, Express.js, React Redux, and PostgreSQL. For the shapes, or chunks as we're calling them, we're using a vector graphics library called Paper.js, and we're also using Tone.js for web audio. With our graphics re-rendering at 60 frames per second, it was a challenge designing a canvas that would perform efficiently. So we took an object-oriented approach to address this problem, with each shape handling its own updates and its interactions. So now that we've paused this play, we open up the tutorial and we can see all the chunks. Here the animations provide an intuitive example of what a user can do and the types of interactions that can occur when different chunks collide. So now that we've seen the tutorial, let's look at some of the other menus.
Thanks, Ben. I'm David, and while not a musician, I'm actually my family's token wedding singer. So we worked very hard to ensure that Youphonic's navigation was both intuitive and persistent, in keeping with the single-page application philosophy. Users click on the Add button in the upper right to insert a wide variety of sound-inducing shapes to the board, including circles, spheres influenced by gravity, ropes which simulate the sound of strings, and cubes which emit small particles. Then when you double-click on a chunk, you open up its settings dialog, which, depending on the type of chunk, allows you to change its pitch, drum setting, or rotation. Then you just click the play button to start your composition, then click pause to save it with a title to your account. So now I'm going to turn it over to Robin, who's going to show off Youphonic's capabilities with some of our favorite compositions.
Thanks, David. I'm Robin, and I'm a jazz saxophonist and composer. And one of the goals in building this unique musical interface was to give users the ability to compose a wide range of musical gestures. Shapes like our gravitational attractors and drones allow for slowly evolving soundscapes like this. Users can also snap the shapes to a grid to create grooving rhythmic melodies. Here's a euphonic play that plays a melody that you might recognize. Once you've created your masterpiece, you can share it with the world using our social sharing interface. We've really enjoyed building our app, and we hope you come and check us out and share your own creations at euphonic.co. Thanks so much for listening.